Wow! That was a lot to digest. Entity, entity sets, entity types. And then attributes, keys, relationships. Any chance you can help us out, Sophie?
I get it. Things are getting a bit complicated. But I do like the metaphor of the bucket with little men inside. Let's use that. Imagine we have the book bucket. This bucket contains potentially several little men, which represent our books.
Okay, go on.
Each little man, which means each book, is what we call an entity. Now, you want to describe the book. So you attach properties to each of them. We call these properties attributes. For example, the title, the author, or the year of publication.
Okay. Please continue.
So we can say that a book, which is an entity, is characterized by a set of attributes. That set is what we call entity type. It is the description of all attributes for the entity.
Nice. But if I look inside the bucket right now, I will see, let's say, 6 books. Things may change in 5 minutes. I may have another book inside.
Correct. What you have inside the book at any given time is what we call the entity set. It is the set of books you have right now in the bucket.
I get it. So the entity set will change frequently, while the entity type will change only occasionally, if I need to change the way I describe my books.
I could not have said it better. Now, suppose you want to have a way to identify one specific book among all the others. You could do that if you had a property which is unique for each book. For example, the ISBN number. We call such property a key.
Wonderful. Things start to make sense. What about relationships?
Imagine you have another bucket, the bucket of readers. One specific reader may have read 3 books. We say that that reader is in a relationship with those 3 books. Similarly, a book may have been read by several readers.
I get it now. That's what we represent with those ropes. Wonderful.
Yes. That's right. And to conclude, there may be constraints on how many ropes a reader can hold. Or on how many ropes a book can hold. Those are the relationship constraints. In our example, a reader may have read 0 or many books, and a book may have been read by 0 or many readers.
Thank you, Sophie. This was very helpful. Goodbye.
Goodbye.